Okay, so now see, this get WD is equivalent to the get CWD is basically equivalent to the get WD over here. Okay, and this changing directory is something similar to the set WD. Got it?
Okay.
Always
यहाँ पे भी हम एक लाइब्रेरी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं डायरेक्टली एंड
working directory, library, working directory. Yes, so that's why I have also given this concept to you to just to recall this get dir, set dir.
सर इवन जो आपने ये बताया कि जो स्लैशेस हैं अगर हम इनको राइट और लेफ्ट को चेंज करते हैं तो इससे क्या डिफरेंस होता है सर?
There is a particular way to give the path. So they actually until unless your machine need to get the path. So that is the reason if you use the default by double bar path, machine will not be able to get your path. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's why even in this case also this part is your path. Up till your destination folder this is your path, and then this is your file name. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now probably I'll pick it up. Hold on for a moment. And then we can actually check the 10 samples of it using head. We have done it last class, correct? So what are the variables are there in this case? There is a ID, there is a gender, there is a race, SEB, school, program, read, write, math, SST, and their numbers, correct? Now, in our last class, we have talked about describe function, correct? So if we write, probably I will take it up. If we run hype.describe, what it will provide to us? Achal, Shilpi?
सर सेम हमारा समरी फंक्शन काम करता था आर में, सेम यहाँ पे हमारे लिए करेगा। ये हमारा काउंट देता है, मीन, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन था, मीन, मैक्स और क्वार्टाइल्स देता था ये हमारा, आई थिंक फर्स्ट क्वार्टाइल, सेकंड क्वार्टाइल, ऑल दोस थिंग्स।
And if we go to a particular, now if we run it on gender, what will provide it? Gender is what
particular
gender.
Like in this case, you can see it is also providing us mean, standard deviation, but in this case, it is actually, if you see the data type 0 and 1, this is non-meaningful right now, correct? Because it's a binary coding, 0 and 1. I will show you how to change these things, how to change that various parameters also within this data frame. But just for our understanding, it's a quick check. Okay. Similarly, we have learned about the read is null function. Is null function is used to check the NA values. So we can see it's false. Similarly, we have also understood about index. So if we run index,
sir, if so, अगर इसके बीच में कोई भी एन वैल्यू होती है एंड इसका जो आउटपुट आ रहा है जैसे आप देख रहे हो 0 to 4 के बीच 10 डॉटेड एंड देन 199 तक शो कर रहा है, तो अगर इस बीच कोई भी ट्रू वैल्यू होती है तो क्या वो उसको हाईलाइट करेगा और एल्स वाइज पूरा चेक करना पड़ेगा?
It will show the true. It will show those values as true. And you can actually do also null counts also. Okay, I'll show you this one by one. Similarly, index, if you done this index, it will show you the what is the data size. It is 0 to 200. That means there are totally 200 entries into this data. Got it? And then also going this way, like we have also learned about data frame access, correct? So if you are trying to write the hype.write, it will also provide us the right data frame. Then more meaningful, we want to check about the describe function. This is more meaningful because that is a integer number.
So ये actually मैं समझ नहीं पाई. Right function.
Okay. Right, it's not a right function. Basically, what are the column names? there is gender, race, school, read, write.
ओके राइट राइट
Okay.
तो हम हाँ ठीक है सो
Got it.
बेसिकली पर्टिकुलर कॉलम को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं.
Yes, we are trying to understand about a column, and it's column. Like instead of write, you can actually make it like this also. I think there was a math, correct? Math 1. Got it now?
Yes,
Because those are numerical numbers, integer numbers. Now, basically, we will see how we can actually do various iteration over columns. Like if we go here, and if we try to get the column names, we can also get it like this. So you have seen in my previous code, I went up and I have checked the column names. But rather than that, you can actually create a function for column in hide columns, print column. That using that function, you can also get the column names. That is a method 1. I'm telling you various methods to get the column name. Okay.
yes sir.
For any data set, we always need the column names. I'm just showing you 5 methods for that. Similar way, actually, you can also type dot columns as a list. What it will return for you? It will return as a list to you. Got it?
Yes.
I want to write it an array of index. I can create that type.columns.values. Got it? Now we have also learned about the toList function. So we can actually create a list of it using toList. Got it? And then if we just need those names, only use this if you need those names as a sorted name. Okay. Then only use this function sorted method. Then it will provide you the sorted name. Got it?
Yes sir.
All the columns. So how many methods we have learned of it? We have learned about 5 methods. Either we can write a simple function to get it, like for column in hide.columns, print columns. That is basically in OOPS. I have seen most of my team members use this. But however, useful method to create basically hide, or you can actually also, and only if you require it as a sorted way, all these names, then use sorted hide. Okay, now let us go into the next one. Now we have seen in our data, this gender is written as 0 and 1. So I think now we can actually do an encoding of it, 0 and 1.
Yes, sir.
Two male and female, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If we are trying to do that, how we can do that? We can go to this height. Similarly, we are actually indexing the gender, and we are going to replace 0 with female and 1 with male. So now if I run this, just do that parallelly in your data.
So जो टर्म हमने यूज किया है इन केस तो इसको टू असाइन करना इम्पोर्टेंट है, मतलब ये तभी रन करेगा, मींस तभी इंप्लीमेंट करेगा अगर हम इसे इन प्लेस ट्रू करेंगे, अगर तभी रिप्लेस एंड इन प्लेस करने के बाद, मतलब दोनों को साथ में करना पड़ेगा.
So we always means to replace this, we have to use this in place. True.
Okay. इन प्लेस अगर फॉल्स है सर तो वो एज इट इज ही छोड़ देगा, वो रिप्लेस नहीं करेगा.
No, in replace function, I have to just check it. Replace function, I think by default it is by default it is basically true.
True.
So you have to, if you are not writing in place true, then also it will happen, but we always write in place equal to true.
So सपोज अगर इन प्लेस को हम फॉल्स करते हैं तो जैसे ये रिप्लेस 1 टू मेल कर देगा, मतलब 1 की जगह पे सब जगह मेल हो जाएगा, बट रिप्लेस 0 की जगह फीमेल नहीं होगा, देन वो 0 का 0 ही रहेगा ऐसे पे अकॉर्डिंग टू द
Okay, so you can run that and check, but now let us do this. Okay.
Okay.
You have done that part, and now if you see, we can see in our data it has actually replaced 0 and 1 with male and female. With small 10 number of data, we can also see that.
सर एक बार उसको रिप्लेस करके देखिएगा प्लीज, जो इन प्लेस वाला जो था.
Then I have to actually hold on for a moment. And I have to run it from the beginning because first I have to, but just hold on.
सर कीप इट ट्रू, कीप इट ट्रू, कीप इट ट्रू. मेल को आप ट्रू रहने दीजिए, बस एक बार फीमेल को चेक कर लीजिए. यस सर, मुझे यही लगता था.
Okay.
Yes.
So you have got your data, and say your 0 and 1 replaced with male and female.
Yes.
Now, many times in this particular case, it will not matter, but if it is a name, we try to make it into uppercase or proper case or lower case, correct?
Yes, sir.
So for that, what you can do now, this variable, you can actually go and go to structure and upper. You can run. Now you can see your all the male and female has become basically. And then if I just want to make it lower, because I will show you some more methods how to make it upper. It is again lower. Now method 2, you can also write an lambda function, and that lambda function is basically lambda x equal to x upper of head. You can see it is basically providing then upper, it's returning basically the head of that particular change to you, but it is already changed. Similarly, you can actually again change it to lower. And now I want to again go back to my gender reverse mode. What I can do, I can reverse is using this, and then my data is back into the original data type. Very good. So just do this activities, change your data. Some of the means right now in this data we have only one string. So just do this upper and lower parameter on the string data. Just try it by on your data. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first you ran and you have got here, it's replaced. Then you have converted it into upper. Then in similar way, just instead of upper, you can write structure.lower. Your data will become into a lower case. Similar way, you can use a lambda function. Try this one also. And here we have, you can see, we have learned about apply. We have used that apply function. We have learned about apply and map apply in today, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have used the same apply function over here. And again, I'm converting it back to a lower.
सर एक बार प्लीज लैम्डा फंक्शन दिखा दीजिएगा प्लीज.
Again, so we have talked about the apply function today. And under apply, we are actually writing a lambda function, lambda of x, where x should be uppercase and head. We are then taking basically head of 10 samples of it. Got it? Correct? Run it.
Yes, sir. सर एरर शो कर रहा है ये स्टेटमेंट. ओके. सर एरर शो कर रहा है ये.
Where it is showing you error?
सर just
In a lambda function?
नो सर. सर बस एक सेकंड मैं चेक कुछ कलर दिखाऊं प्लीज. नो सर ये लोअर केस वाले में चेक करो.
Just share the error, copy paste the error in the chat.
ओके सर जस्ट Sir, are you able to see?
Yes.
कुछ गलत सर इससे पहले भी कुछ था जो शायद मिस कर दिया है इसमें.
Alok, I will request you to make Shilpi presenter for a moment.
Sure. Shilpi, you are presenter now. Please share the screen.
Okay, sir. So, are you able to see?
Go up, one by one. I think I need to check. We have got error before also. Lower also. Just go up, go up. No, you have not. First and foremost, you have not defined directly. You have gone to structure lower and upper, but you have not done the. You are getting the error. You have not done that mapping of. Well, you have not done this particular part. Just 1 minute. You have skipped the part. That's why it's in your data still it is 1 and 0. So how it can convert it into?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Do one thing. First run this. In the chat, I have given you the conversion. Because in your data, it's getting basically 0 and 1. That's why it is throwing in this error.
Okay, replace ही नहीं किया.
Replace नहीं किया अभी तक. Insert a code. I have shown you how to insert a code.
Yes.
Go to select this hype. Yes, exactly. Now run hype 10 or hype head. Run hype head. That's why today I'm actually giving a lot of stress. No.
Sir, hype head को 10 करना है. I'm getting the issues.
No, because you are again going directly to lower, so you are not understanding the logic. Copy the hype and head, hype dot head 18. Copy it and put it inside the cell of 29. Because copy hype dot head underscore copy it. Put it inside this box of 29. Below that. And put hype head 1810, whatever you want to get. Run this. Got it? Now you can see. Now it is basically. Now it is.
जो तुम यहाँ चेंज करियो ना स्ट्रक्चर से पहले तुमने वो दिया नहीं है. हाइप जेंडो डॉट स्ट्रक्चर डॉट लोअर करो.
Now you can see all yours are converted into lower. Now
upper. Upper head.
Okay. Now if you come over here. Okay. Now if you come over here, and you can actually return it back your original data. So right now your data, it is showing, just show me. It's basically in all caps, correct?
Yes, sir.
So I'm giving you a code and you have to tell me if you run logic behind it. Copy paste the error, copy paste and run it.
Oh.
Copy paste the code. run it, you'll get an error. Means take hype 10 or hype.head.10.
सो ये तो प्रिंट होगा ना, लाइक
नहीं होगा।
तो हाइप हेड होगा सर। तुमने शिल्पी 37 लाइन की?
हाँ सर,
आई डोंट थिंक सो।
सॉरी,
लाइन 37 रन की थी क्या तुमने?
हाँ।
and now in that you can see your data is it getting replaced? No, it's not getting replaced. It is still showing because it has to go in all upper. He has to actually, in her data it's all caps. So what she has to do to change it, basically go to that same 37, go to 37, sorry 39, 39, make female all caps and male all caps.
बट सर यहाँ पे जेंडर हमारा फीमेल और मेल आप देख लो। अच्छा, इसमें लोअर में क्या हुआ है पहले?
Now you can see. You understood it?
So but okay, reverse में ठीक है, I got it sir.
और शिल्पी अब रन करना तुम ये हाइप हेड। अब आई थिंक यहाँ जेंडर में 0 बनाना चाहिए, राइट?
Yeah.
बट तुम्हें ये वैल्यू असाइन भी तो करनी होगी, वो असाइन कहाँ कर रहे हैं सर? आई थिंक
फर्स्ट उन्होंने मेल फीमेल किया, it in a proper case. Go just just let us run this code from the beginning, from load the data. Just run 18, not 18, 21. Okay, run hive.head.10, make it hive.head.10. okay, fine. Now
Hive.head
head is in small. It's coming in 0 and 1. Now you're actually going to replace it over here. Run it, run 32, run 32. It is becoming female and male. Okay,
so
female and male in your case. Now if you run just if you go to lower, go to lower,
then lower case में change होगा, it's changing.
Now run this one same way we have run the code of lower. Just insert another column over here
After 36.
after 36, after 36, after 36. And the way you have written the lower, basically copy same way in the upper. Use this code. That is fine. Run it. It's all upper. Now go down. Now in that case you just run the gender reverse. That 41 you run. 41 you run. Now you just run this. You have got it?
Yes sir.
Achal, you have also got it?
Yes sir.
Okay, so I will request Alok to give the presenter status back to me.
Sure, just a moment. And Upal, you are presenter now.
Thank you. So we have got our data back, correct? From that data, let us do something more. So we can check basically with D types. What D types provides us? If we write our data frame name.d types, what it provides us?
The data type.
Of all our, we can see here, and we can see here gender it is providing as an object, but we can actually change it. We will do that changing also, and rest all are coming as integer. Race also you can see it is providing as integer, but here race 1 2 3 4, that is again a category. So now for that what we can do, we'll do some basically changes on race now. So for that we are actually changing this hype.race and pd categorical to hype.race, and we are running this. Now if you can see, it is providing the category and it's providing a count of it. Now if you go back and run this.
Sir, in my case, एक्चुअली ये जो आपने अभी ऑब्जेक्ट सॉरी जेंडर को जो ये ऑब्जेक्ट ले रहा था, बट मेरे में ये इंटीजर 64 शो कर रहा है सर, इन 64 ही शो रहा है, बट डेटा टाइप जो है वो ऑब्जेक्ट ही आ रहा है ओवरऑल.
ओके,
बट जेंडर और ये
in your case it is showing as integer 32.
yes sir, no 64.
okay,
सर सारा इन 64 है, बट जो लास्ट में डी टाइप में ऑब्जेक्ट आ रहा है.
D type है, that is coming as
object, but बाकी gender race सब in 64 ही आ रहे हैं.
okay, because in my case we have done some conversion into it, so that is the reason. But it should also show in your case, but we can check that. But now you concentrate. I am now what I am trying to do, probably I have to go back again so that actually if you see in your case also race is coming as integer, correct? int 64,
Yes,
correct?
yes.
So now but that race is although it is coded as 1 2 3 4, but that is not an integer. That is a trying to do, we are trying to change the categorical, means change the integer into categorical. So you run this.
Okay, sir. Then
And now if you go back and run this hype.d types again, go up and run hype.d types again, you will see, like me, here you will again get category.
okay, so race तो कैटेगरी में आ गया, बट जेंडर जो है वो अभी भी इन 64 ही है.
Similar way you can actually write here hype.gender equal to pd.categorical in bracket hype.gender. Run it. Actually, you are getting it, correct?
Yes, sir.
Shilpi, you have written?
सर जेंडर कैटेगरी में ही आ रहा है.
Okay. So we have also convert the gender into category.
सर एक बात बताइए, अगर सपोज हमको सेपरेट ही रन करना पड़ेगा तो फिर मतलब वैसे ये सारे, जैसे आपके केस में तो पूरा प्रॉपर आ गया कि जेंडर ऑब्जेक्ट है, रेस कैटेगरी में है, बट अगर हमको सारे ही सेपरेट चेक करने पड़ेंगे तो इसका कोई नीड क्या, मतलब इसका क्या ओवरऑल करने का क्या नीड है फिर?
Why we are doing this? Because if you remember, we do some particular type of functions we perform on categorical data, and some particular type of functions we provide on integer data. So that is the reason we are actually doing. Because earlier, if you have run the describe, you have seen on gender and on race, it was providing you. Probably here after this I will run again. Now you can see. Now earlier in my data, it was actually providing even for this was coming here for gender and race also. It was showing me the mean, median, max, percentile, but is it meaningful on those? It is not correct. So that is the reason we are trying to convert it. Now it's even in that case ID, that also we have to get it converted. I have not converted it now. Ultimately, basically from ACB to rest all the functions, which should be in integer in type. Hope you have understood it, correct? So
Yes, sir.
And then we can actually take out the unique types of race also using this. Similarly, if you write hive dot gender dot unique, you will basically get two categories, 1 and 2. You can write both hive dot race dot unique. It will show you how many unique types are there rather.
So एक सेकंड आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ। जब हम जेंडर को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं तो कुछ ऐसा शो आउटपुट कुछ ऐसा। कमेंट्स चेक कीजिए।
Yeah, you are getting basically to count of 200, unique 2 because there are only two types, 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Got
so
it?
top one का means so top one means जिसकी probability ज़्यादा है.
Means which is coming more in this data. That is, one is coming more.
Like in race, the top is 4. मतलब जिसकी probability ज़्यादा है वो top है.
4 is coming more. Okay.
Okay, sir. And sir, frequency भी उसी top की शो कर रहा है. सर बट एक बात बताइएगा, जैसे टॉप 1 है, अब मैं ये कैसे डिटरमाइन करूं कि ये मेल है या फीमेल है? इसके लिए मैं क्या करूं, मतलब मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि टॉप में कौन है?
For that, what you can do means, that's why I have done the encoding. You can actually continue with the encoding data, and you can do the same thing. Okay, you have done male and female encoding, na? You can do this.
Yes.
Continue that with the male and female encoding data. That will provide you this insight. Today I'm actually showing you much of these methods, how to do that. Okay, and similarly, you means the way we have done, we can also save the array as categorical also as a new gender, and we can also do that. And now you can see now you are getting the explanation of your top one.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. I got it. Hello.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you can also store this as a new gender variable, and you can actually describe in this way also. Okay. Similar way, you can actually save your race also, and you can do this, perform this Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Now, after this, you can see that type gender has become basically a series. And for now, we are doing, so we can similar way, we can check the various numerical functions on the integer data types. For example, standard deviation and all. I have just given you one example, but I will request you to practice with all the types. Okay. And then ultimately, you can actually place, we have got it as a category, data types. Now, you remember we have learned about box plot.
सर सॉरी बट ये जो आपने न्यू जेंडर और डिस्क्राइब किया था जो एक बार प्लीज शो कीजिएगा. ओके सर. सर आपने इसको रिकॉल कर लिया था ना, तभी ये कैटेगरीज मेल और फीमेल में शो कर रहा है ना, क्योंकि मैंने इसको जब रन किया है तो मेरा लास्ट, क्योंकि मैंने उसे रिकॉल जो किया था वो 01 के फॉर्म में ही किया था, तो वो एज इट इज 01 ही शो कर रहा है कैटेगरीज में मेल फीमेल के स्पेस पे.
Yes.
ओके सर.
Now, probably what we will try to draw a block box plot also. So for that, we are actually first calling matplotlib, and then we are actually going to create a matplotlib of this. And for that, we are going to use a read. You remember all the box plots we have learned about to understand about distribution. Achal, remember box plot?
Yes, sir.
Actually, I have also kept something to revisit, because you remember Bobita has missed that box plot class, so she keep on asking about it. So I have actually kept a small code to understand about
sir.
box plot.
Okay.
For that, I have actually.
वो कल एक्चुअली ज्वाइन करेगी, आज उसका कुछ ऑफिस से अर्जेंट कॉल वगैरह था, तो इस वजह से वो नहीं कर पाई है.
No problem. Means I have not. I probably I can just, because anyway we are going to do again and again box plot now. This is a very small case study, so probably now we will do it using on a large data. But what I'll request to you, apart from read and apart from basically these two, there are multiple other parameters. So you can actually do some of the functions on that. There are mean, median, mode, describe, multiple functions we have learned on PD, correct?
Yes, sir.
So we can do it on this data as a practice. That will help us tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going to complete pandas and I'm going to move on. Next, exploratory data analysis. So you are getting the box plot of it?
I'm sorry, I'm just typing.
Always remember to call, because in earlier part we have not called matplotlib. So please do call matplotlib. Otherwise, this you will get an error.
Okay, sir.
Shilpi, got the box plot?
Sir, just 8 seconds. I'm just running.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay.
सर एरर शो कर रहा है. सर एक बार प्लीज आप दिखाएगा. मैं थोड़ा सा कोड चेक करूंगी. मैंने कुछ मिस्टेक की है. सर इससे प्रीवियस ऊपर थोड़ा करिएगा. इससे प्रीवियस मुझे
This we are only going to work on the, probably you have not called the library. Shall I just give this code to you? Just 1 minute.
okay.
Call your matplotlib, then pyplot and boxplot. That's it. And these two, I will get it. Got it?
So almost. Okay, sir, I got it. मेरे भी कुछ मिस्टेक की है शायद कोड में.
Okay. So now we'll also learn about one more thing that is known as cross tabulation. Basically, we are trying to see the, I think Shilpi and Achal, you have done cross tabulation in other data, correct? We are trying to see here, basically on the basis of gender and on the basis of read parameters, what are the frequencies and frequency count of it, correct? For example,
Sir,
you can see.
मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछूं प्लीज. सर जो सेम सॉरी जो अभी आपने सेम कोड मेरे साथ शेयर किया है वही एज इट इज. आई डोंट थिंक सो मैंने शायद उसमें कुछ मिस्टेक किया है. वही सेम मैंने भी किया बट स्टिल मुझे वो एरर ही शो कर रहा है. मैंने चेक भी किया बट आई डोंट
इंस्टॉल किए थे अभी इंस्टॉल मैटप्लॉटलिब.
सर उसके बाद भी मैंने आपका सेकंड कोड जो था मैंने उसको पहले कॉपी नहीं किया था. मैंने जो अपना किया था उसी को रन करके देखा बट वो नहीं हुआ. बट जैसे ही मैंने आपका कॉपी किया एज इट इज तो जस्ट वो प्रॉपर्ली उससे ग्राफ आ गया. प्लॉटिंग हो गया.
ग्राफ हो गया. ओके.
सर
So probably in that case, what you are not doing, you are not importing the matplotlib. That's why it was happening. Now come back to this. We do cross tabulation, correct? Cross tabulation basically in the context of gender. how many of people has got 28, how many people has got 31, 34, 35. You're getting it, Achal, Shilpi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is something like a pivot table that we create basically in Excel. Getting it, correct?
Yes.
So now I'm not running this box plot example. This was basically for 2 minutes. I'm just running it for you to understand, to just to explain it to you. But I think you recall this thing. But now we can actually this group by, and we can create a box plot groups also. For example, here what we are doing, we are actually now group buying the entire data based on gender. If I print the group for you, and then we are what is happening? This will also give me an error. No, this is not giving me an error. I'm getting it, but I'm trying to create a group. Group one. I think I have missed it.
सो 0 and 1 तो है ही नहीं ना, मेल एंड फीमेल है हमारा जेंडर में. आपने भी चेंज किया था ना, आप यहाँ पे मेल या फीमेल टाइप करके देखिए, वो और वो भी स्मॉल में. हाँ, आई थिंक यस.
Oh, okay, okay. But I have actually changed back the
नहीं
data
सर,
here.
नहीं सर, चेंज नहीं हुआ था.
Okay.
नो सर,
Oh, that's
मेरे में चेंज नहीं हुआ था, आपके में चेंज हो गया था.
okay. Okay. So that's why it was giving me that error.
नहीं शिल्पी, तुम्हारा रिप्लेस हो गया, रिवर्स हुआ है, एंड सर का नहीं हुआ है, तभी सर का काउंट में मेल एंड फीमेल.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, मतलब एक्चुअली सर ने जब मेरे में करवाया था तब वो 0 and 1 की फॉर्म में
अच्छा,
थी, इसलिए आई गेस सर कंफ्यूज हो
I have not found that code then. I was doing it in your.
गए. यस सर.
And now, no, thank you. And the same one, basically now we can actually run as a group box plot also. So it will provide the various parameters.
Cooper,
and their
sorry to
output.
disturb. It is just to remind that it is time. So I
Okay.
request you to
Just one line.
Sure.
One line. Last line.
Thank you.
Last similar way, actually, you can also create a pie plot also. And you can see that on basically race distribution pie plot. And here basically you should always remember about this auto PCT function. Auto PCT is basically to give how many numbers you want over here. For example, if you want 2 numbers, it will be basically like this. Okay. And it's a pie plot.
सो एक बार आप चेंज करना 1 लिखा था तो क्या था, लाइक 72.5% था, राइट?
Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just sharing this snippet also with you, so you can run by yourself quickly.
एंड
and we
सर,
can.
जस्ट उसके पहले आप वो ग्रुप वाला कोड भी एक बार मुझे शो कर देना, वो चेक करने में मैं कर नहीं पाई उसको.
Okay.
ग्रुप, दिस वन जस्ट.
So here what we are doing basically in the group, we are creating a group here. Okay. Similarly, after grouping, we are creating a group box plot. But nonetheless, I have already shared this code with you. It will not be a problem. I just wanted to.
सर सर प्लीज बस एक बार मीटिंग ओवर होने से पहले बस एक बार जो आपने अभी मुझे मैटप्लॉटलिब वाला जो कोड चेक किया था, इसका एक बार प्लॉटिंग दिखाइएगा जो कैसा हुआ है। ये मीडियन वाला जो था सबसे फर्स्ट। ओके सर, मैं इसलिए थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो रही थी, मुझे लग रहा था कि मेरा ही कुछ गलत आ रहा है इसमें।
Now it is fine, correct?
यस सर।
So we are good for today.
yes sir.
So just wait for a while so that कि हम ये actually कोड को कॉपी कर लें इस पहले।
No, you don't have to worry about it because even if you see, I have shared this code with you over here.
सर हो गया वैसे तो।
It's also available under, you can see, it's available under Python class examples, pandas 4. Okay.
Okay sir.
So we are good for today. Then tomorrow what
Yes,
we'll
sir.
do, tomorrow is going to be a very important class because we are going to do a whole case study on pandas and various things what we have learned. Okay.
Okay.
And then I will also share a pandas cheat sheet with you. That is the plan for tomorrow. And then we will touch upon the exploratory data analysis part. So quickly going back to the slide, we have already covered all this part. Renaming we have covered. We have also covered various data import. What I CVSP file we have how to import we have also learned. Column type conversion also we have learned. And probably one more thing I will show it from you, show it to you is basically the JSON and other type of file input that I will show it to you tomorrow. Okay, we are good today.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. So how was the class? Liked it? Enjoyed it? Learned it?
Of course, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
सर लास्ट ना बस एक जो लास्ट सेकंड कोड है ना उसमें एरर आ रहा है।
Which one?
सर दिस ग्रुप हाइट डॉट जेंडर, इसके नेक्स्ट वाले सर।
This one?
सर ये मेल जिसने लिखा है ना 239।
तुम यहाँ पे शिल्पी 1 लिखो मेल
तुम
के
यहाँ पे हाँ मतलब
और इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में मत लिखना।
हाँ ओके।
because in your case it is still float. It's not
Yes,
float,
sir.
integer. Yeah. Okay. So Alok, I think we are good. Thank you for this 5 minutes extension. Hello.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Upal, for being with us, and thank you, girls. You are the only 2 girls you attended. What happened? What went wrong today?
डोंट नो सर, बबीता ने तो कल ही इन्फॉर्म कर दिया था कि
हाँ,
वो ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाएगी।
Babita, I know. हाँ, she clearly mentioned yesterday.
एंड आई थिंक महेंद्र को कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, वो कॉल भी रिसीव नहीं कर रहे थे एंड बाद में उनका टेक्स्ट आया कि उनको बैक पेन काफी ज्यादा है तो वो नहीं ज्वाइन। अभी जस्ट 15 मिनट पहले उनका टेक्स्ट आया है।
Oh, okay.
Okay, anyway,
but nonetheless,
so
आप एक काम कर देना, means even I will also means this entire code is already available in the basically in my Google Drive. Okay, and then you are also going to give the video, so I think we will be good.
yeah, soon enough you will get the video, and you can revise, and others will also avail it. So I don't think it will be a problem. Anyway, thank you.
नो इशू सर, एक्चुअली इसमें से जो मैक्सिमम पार्ट है ना हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी प्रैक्टिस किए हुए हैं, सो दैट्स व्हाई शायद मेरे लिए भी आज बहुत ही इजी था सब कुछ समझना।
Awesome. मतलब I'm actually liking it.
Very nice.
और हम लोगों ने इवन फिल्टरिंग वगैरह भी किया हुआ है इसमें।
Which one?
सर डेटा फिल्टर यूज किया हुआ है हमने।
अच्छा, good.
एंड
So tomorrow
इवन फैक्ट हमने और भी बहुत सारे फंक्शंस यूज किए थे इसमें। जैसे हमने प्रीफिक्स किया था, सफिक्स किया था, टाइम में भी हमने किया था, एट टाइम पे हमें जो भी डेटा लेना है, ड्रॉप फंक्शन, इक्वल फंक्शन, बहुत सारे फंक्शंस हमने ऑलरेडी इसमें किए थे। री इंडेक्सिंग की थी एंड मल्टी इंडेक्सिंग भी मैंने की है इसमें, मतलब हम सबने।
Awesome. So I'm liking it. Means that is the reason it is easy to explain also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Achal. Thanks, Shilpi.
Thank you, sir.
Bye for today.
Okay, very fantastic, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow, same time.
Okay, thank you, sir.